else is nice? Puppy dogs. It's not going to be roses and puppy dogs. That's all I got to tell you. We're gonna have to take it into keister a little bit. You know what I'm saying? In the keister, like that. Yeah, take it in the keister. In the keister. Let's take that one in the keister again. There you go. That's bend over. Yes, bend over. Bend over, my friends. Yeah. So make sure you're saving some money. Make sure you're ready for anything because we got planes dropping out of the sky left and right. My Lord. My Lord. I looked at some of the footage this morning. There's nothing left. There's nothing. You can't even tell where the plane went down. There's like pieces everywhere. Like someone just like let off a firecracker and the paper goes everywhere. That's what it looked like. There was just little pieces the size of your hand everywhere. You couldn't tell where it came down. You got to know that there's parts and pieces that have to be picked up, if you know what I mean. We won't get too graphic, but I feel for the first responders. First responders been doing some very nasty duty the last couple of days. I really don't think I don't think anybody remained intact coming out of that crash. Much too violent. Yeah, just a little full. Whoever owned that plane could afford gas. Yeah, holy cow. They're but they had the first responders coming. Yeah, you hear the first responders? They be coming now. They'd be working hard today. First responders were working hard. Khalib Dekema back in the house, my friend. Thank you. Stay safe. No more. Tariffs are going up, my friend. Today, Canada, China, and Mexico are getting their long-lost tariffs. Do we got anybody from Canada on today? Who the hell is running Canada these days? Justin Trudeau's like sleeping on the job. Where did he disappear to? I think Justin Trudeau is in Cuba or something now, visiting his long-lost pappy or something. Where is Justin Trudeau? He's not saying anything. So get ready. It's the tariff war is on. I hear that. Well, I heard that eggs are actually cheaper in Canada. To be perfectly honest, they said that in American dollars, eggs were $2.75 in Canada. I don't know if you've checked prices of eggs yourself, Takema, but here in Illinois, last I checked, eggs at Aldi's, just large, not jumbo, not extra large, just large eggs at Aldi. The basic egg is $4 1/4. So eggs be through the roof. And guess what? The mainstream media caught up. They had some time to do some research, and they were all screaming about eggs being so expensive last week. Yeah. Yeah, Justin. Do you believe Justin's going to respond to anything? Here's Justin. Here's Justin, my friend. Here's Justin. See if you can hear Justin. You hear Justin? Something's happening to Justin. There's Justin Trudeau, my friends. He be making some noise now. So have some of this saved up. You're going to need a little extra of this for the next couple of months, I do believe. I think gas prices are going to go up again. I'm sorry to say gas is going to go up again. Although they've been they've been dropping a little bit around here. They're down like 15 cents, I do believe, in the last couple of weeks. We just keep going through this cycle here where gas prices go up 15, 20%, then they come down, then they go back up. We're on this perpetual roller coaster for gas prices. Yeah, the auto industry's got some problems, Khalib. I don't know if you saw earlier in the week that Nissan, who's being bought out by Honda, right? Honda bought out Nissan, or is in the process of doing it. They be cutting back big time in Japan and the United States. They cut a bunch of shifts in their United States plants in Tennessee and Mississippi, and got rid of. They were not exporting as many cars to the United States from Japan. I heard that. And of course, I mean, before Joey Bergen, where's Joey Bergen? Where's Sleepy Joe? Yes, we've got Sleepy Joe in the house. There you go, guys. Oh, yeah, Ford and GM, all the American automakers got a big loan from Joey Bergen. Joey Bergen gave all the American car companies low interest loans for EVs. Come on, give me a break. What he did was save their keisters, is what he did. Jonathan Fran in the house, my friend from Italy. You're a hell of a lot safer where you're at, my friend. We got planes dropping out of the skies over here not in Illinois, but in the United States. Oh, the auto industry is going broke. Yeah, I haven't heard much about Kia and Hyundai, but Ford, GM, what's the other one? What's the other American cars? Who else makes American cars? Geez, I don't even know. Chevy, GM, Ford and GM, and who else? Chrysler, Stellantis, my God. Yeah, I don't know. No Gary FL1, just Khalib Dekema joined us today. Hit that like button if you would. We only got 5 likes. The DJ needs some likes. And after you hit the like button, say your prayers for the day there, guys. Say your prayers to the big guy above. Oh, yeah, not good. You're right, Brian M. Brian M in the house. Have you been to that Hooters in Schaumburg lately, Brian M? You gotta check it out. Oh, there you go, Uber. I hate Uber. I don't know. Don't Gary FL1. So let's transition. Yeah. Remember when we used to talk about transitioning every day? Yeah, that was this guy's fault. Talking about transitioning every day. But anyway, let's transition to a little migrant video here from Chicago, where a guy met his maker because of the illegals. This is pretty grisly, guys. Pretty grisly. Let's check this out.
2 men arrested for a shocking homicide on the far northwest side.
WGN's Dana Rebick joins us live with the latest on...
Now, the northwest side is one of the nicer areas of Chicago, guys. That's the scary part. The northwest side is the nice side of town.
That investigation. Dana.
Our police sources do confirm that 2 suspects have been arrested and are now in custody awaiting charges of first-degree murder and robbery. We do know their identities, but are withholding that information until they are officially charged.
I drive past and I walk past that house all the time. So it's kind of nerve-wracking now that something happens that close to the house.
Neighbors shaken after the murder of 63-year-old George Levin, who lived in this home in the 7600 block of West Talcott Avenue in Norwood Park. Our Chicago police sources tonight confirming they now have arrested 2 men who are in custody. Both are migrants from Venezuela and Ecuador. One...
There you go. They kind of gloss over the facts. 2 men. We've arrested 2 men. And then they kind of throw in there, oh yeah, and they're migrants too, but they're illegals to me.
We know in his early 20s. One of the suspects found at a home in Logan Square, the other in Norwood Park, about a mile and a half from the crime scene.
Crime scene, one victim in the basement unit. His arms tied with a duct tape, legs with a extension cord.
Officers responded to the victim's home around 11 p.m. Sunday night.
Notice that? Electrical duct tape and electrical cord. I just did a video where we had an electric EV car being saved by some duct tape. So duct tape is used by criminals too, guys. Duct tape is used by criminals too. Get yourself a couple of rolls.
Levin was unresponsive, found bound with duct tape and an extension cord.
In the basement. His sister found him.
According to the Chicago Tribune, Levin had been beaten and his keys, wallet, and cell phone were missing. After an autopsy, the Cook County medical examiner found Levin had died of multiple injuries, ruling his death a homicide.
I'm actually very shocked. Ever since the violence in Chicago's kind of been creeping up, we've been more alert, aware. We've got security cameras everywhere. Our neighbors also tend to be very cautious as well, just because you never know.
Our police sources also telling us that one of these suspects had been previously arrested not long ago for child luring on January
Oh, go figure. He has some history. Yeah, guess what?
12th, involving two teenage girls, but that those charges, we are told, were downgraded and he was released. Reporting live at the 16th Police District, Dana Rebick.
That was nice of Brandon. That was nice of Brandon to let him go. Good old Brandon Johnson. There you go, guys. Brandon Johnson. So, word to the wise. Be prepared. Be prepared, to say the least. Be prepared. And when in doubt, call your police and have them come out and check. Let's see. Because you know, why, right? Why? There you go. Oh, no! Oh, even the liberals are scared now. Oh, and if we can't get away with that one, how about this one? We got to play this one. We all love this one too.
Is now President of the United States. What a great honor to be able to introduce for the first time ever anywhere the 45th President of the United States of America, with your gracious aid.
I am so sorry to my world. I am so sorry to my world. This is not what we want.
I think that's Mussolini over here, Jonathan. Did you see that? I think that's your buddy Mussolini over there. Did you notice that? There you go. There you go. There's your old buddy Mussolini, Jonathan. Do you know who Mussolini is? Do you know who Mussolini is, Jonathan? I hope so. He'd be from your country, my friend. He'd be from your country in the old country. There you go. So there you go.